saw somebody made a phone stand of the Iron Throne. So I wanna take a shot of it. To start, I looked at some pictures of the Iron Throne and I gathered some material. So I got this, some of these toothpick that look like little swords. This is what I use for the base. I'm going to use a zip tie and tie it all up. I drill a couple of holes here. This is what I have so far. Next step is to paint it. Here it is. Ta-da! Game of Thrones, 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 Game of Thrones.